Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. In other stories, the once thriving dairy empire of former First Lady Grace Mugabe has collapsed, with equipment auctioned off and cattle sold to settle debts. The farm, originally called the Foyle Farm, was owned by Ian Webster and was regarded as Zimbabwe's most advanced dairy operation. Under Webster, it produced 6.5 million liters of milk annually, a significant portion of national supply, using modern irrigation, pasture management, and a high-volume milking parlor. During the 2000s, land reform program, Grace Mugabe took interest in the property due to its profitability and proximity to Harare. Webster negotiated a payout to avoid eviction. It is said that the Mugabe family then rebranded it Kushungo Dairy Estate with the Grace's son Russell Goreraza as manager. Despite heavy investment in a new machinery, the estate never missed Webster's efficiency. Without specialized dairy expertise, herd health and milk yields declined. After Robert Mugabe's death in 2019 and the family's loss of political patronage, the empire unraveled. By 2022, Kushungo Dairy had ceased operations. Grace reportedly sold hundreds of dairy cows to settle millions in debt. Much of the land is now leased to third-party businessmen and white commercial farmers. The high-tech processing plant sits idle with hundreds of workers unemployed. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.